Hi, it's Joe Andrews for Joe's Moses Kitchen. Today, let's make an instant, easy Rava Dosa. So don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joe's Moses Kitchen. With this recipe, we can make a medium size 15 to 16 dosas. We need 1 cup of Sooji or rava, 1 cup of rice flour, half cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of yogurt, a small piece of chopped onions, 4 pieces of chopped chilies, a small piece of chopped ginger, few chopped cilantro, few chopped curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of cracked black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of water. Combine it. You will get a thick batter like this. Add again 2 cups water. Mix it well. And rest for 15 minutes. The hot skillet. It's hot now. Temper it first. The batter is roasted well. Give a quick mix. Add again 1 cup of water. Give a quick mix. Check the consistency. It should be a thin batter. Drizzle some oil on the hot skillet and pour and drizzle on a hot skillet like this. So you will get a nice Rava Dosa like this. It will be like a net. Drizzle some oil or ghee. Remove from the edges. Flip it. The crispy dosa is ready. Every time when you make dosas, make sure good stir and pour it and drizzle it and flip it like this. Enjoy with chutneys. There are a lot of variety of chutneys in my channel. Today I am enjoying with this Gujarati chutney. But it's a very tasty chutney. Enjoy and eat, and don't miss out to show your support by subscribing my channel, Joe's Moses Kitchen. Okay, bye.